Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. On your second tab you're going to see the battle pass, and then from here you're going to see battle pass rewards, which is your first tab. Now just in case, you do need to claim your battle pass, regular battle pass rewards right here first, and then you can move on to bonus. But anyways, let's just go to our first tab, and then from here you're going to see all of this. So you could claim one at a time, and same thing goes with this page and so on. And yes, in order to unlock any skin that you see locked or anything you see locked, it means you need to claim these first. And if you're still having problems claiming anything, that just means you haven't claimed the stuff before it. So to avoid having problems where you guys don't see something or particular style that you want to unlock, then go ahead and look at the bottom right hand side of your screen. You're going to see close and then claim pages. So for me, if I press square, I'm going to see claim pages. And I can see page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. Now depending what level you're at, you're able to claim certain amount of pages. So for example, right now I'm in level 35, which means I can go all the way to page number 4. And this is what I always recommend doing, just claiming each page at a time, so that way you claim everything within it, everything becomes unlocked all at once, instead of claiming one thing at a time. If you follow that, you're not going to have any problems with claiming anything, you're not going to be missing anything again. And just in case, yes, you do need the battle pass in order to claim battle pass rewards. Anyways, let's just get started with page number 1. You guys are going to see this. We're going to be unlocking this as well, this awesome glider. We're going to be getting this music. We're going to be getting some V-Bucks. We do get V-Bucks out of this thing. Plus this awesome back bling. Let's not forget about the contrail. More V-Bucks. And most of you already have this skin anyways. So in order to claim the entire page 1, we're just going to tap on square. Then we're going to go on to claim rewards. And there we go. We just claimed everything. So we got everything from here. You're going to see that you own it. And by the way, if you do end up claiming something and you don't see it in your locker for any reason, just restart your Fortnite or go into a game, get out, and usually that will refresh it. If not, then fully close Fortnite and then just load it up again and you should be good to go. Anyways, moving on to page number 2, we're going to be taking a look at this awesome loading screen. We're going to take a look at this awesome spray, plus this pickaxe, this emote, that looks pretty awesome, and the glider. Moving on to the contrail, and finally we get to unlock the skin. So let's just go on and press square to claim everything from here. We're gonna go on and hold on to X, and then we're gonna see that we just got everything from here. So once again, we got this, plus this awesome glider, this, and this. So what we should have seen by now is a screen telling me what we have claimed so we can equip it. So what I'm going to do is go back. So what I'm going to do is just load into a game right now that I don't see anything popping up. Then get out of it. You don't really have to play it. That's just going to refresh Fortnite. It's could be as quick as closing Fortnite and opening it up again. And if this doesn't work, I would do that. I'll close Fortnite, open it up again, and there we go. So we're just about to fully load into the game. There we go. We're in the bus. I'm just going to wait for the countdown for the bus just to make sure, although I could technically just leave right now. And Fortnite should be able to just refresh. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to lobby. And here we go. Alright, so now that I went back to lobby, this automatically started appearing for me. So I can go ahead and equip these things or just go into next. Doesn't really matter what I press. But we are getting everything from here, as you guys can see. This is something that we're supposed to see the screen as soon as we claim stuff, but it just glitches for some reason right here on Fortnite. But we are getting exactly everything, and what I'm doing is equipping it, so that way when we're back in lobby, I'm just gonna be wearing the latest skin that I claimed, which was that one. So if I go back to lobby, I'm gonna see this. I am wearing the skin. And I have the emote as well, plus everything else. So I'm just going to save that as new. And it's going to be the exact same strategy during this video for everything else that I will be claiming if I want to refresh the whole thing. So let's just go back to Battle Pass. We're going to go on into pages. Now we are on page number 3. Now let's just go back and take a look at all the pages. So we are going to take a look at this awesome loading screen, this banner. We're going to get more V-Bucks, obviously. We're going to get this style for it. This style for it. we're gonna get this as well, plus this awesome style for the skin. So let's just go into claim pages to claim everything all at once. Claim rewards, and here we go. So this time actually things loaded up how they should have. So I'm just gonna go into equipped, next, equipped, and equipped. Plus we're gonna equip this skin. So here we go. Here's how the skin looks like. I'm just gonna quickly save this, and we can finally move on to page number 4. In page number 4, we're gonna be unlocking this awesome screensaver. We're gonna go into the emoticon. We're gonna be getting some V-Bucks. We're also gonna be getting this awesome pickaxe, this backbling, and this awesome wrap. And finally, this will become unlocked and we can claim. So as always, just claim the entire page and go on by holding X. So this worked out as well. That's awesome. So we can go on into equipped, or we can just go next. In this case, we are gonna equip this. Then we're just gonna save it as a new skin later on. But here we go. We got the harvesting tool. Let's not forget about this, and also this wrap, plus this awesome skin. So we can equip that too. So right now we got everything from here, which does include this awesome skin. Technically, I could go into the last page and claim one thing at a time. However, I don't have enough battle stars in order to claim everything, which means I'm gonna wait until I have enough. Right now, if I go here, I'm gonna see the page 5. I need 37 battle stars. I only have 33. Just means I need to be a higher level to claim everything from here. So at this point in time, we are all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.